Good evening, my name is Folger. I'm an artist sculptor, and today we're going to do a painting. We're going to be using this watercolor paper. It's a 140-pound cold press. It's a very, very nice paper to use. One thing I like about watercolor paper is, storage is a lot easier. It doesn't, the things don't stick to each other like canvases do. Canvases are a problem like that. Let's see, I'm gonna get started right away. I'm still wet this a little bit. And I'm gonna use cerulean blue hue Utrecht Studio Series acrylic. And I'm gonna put that right on here. And just kind of get it. I'm going to cover the whole canvas. Or watercolor paper, I should say. It probably will curl, the paper will curl a little bit, but that's okay. And now, I just want to go and just smooth it out. Smooth it out. Okay, I'm gonna get some primary blue now, right here. Same Utrecht. I'm going to, give me a moment, I'm going to wipe off my brush. I'm just going to get a paper towel. And just wipe off my brush. Get the excess paint off of it. It's okay if it's still wet. That's alright. I'm going to get a little bit of the primary blue and just kind of touch it, just adding a little bit of color texture to this. I'm kind of going to create a landscape, a forest landscape. So, we got that. I'm going to put my cover back on. And, let's see, what else can we use here? See if I can find... Yeah, I'm looking for bright white, that would be good. So, I'm going to put a little bit right on my brush, like that. And I'm just going to a little bit in there to kind of create that idea of a sky. Yeah. Just touching it lightly in. Oops, it's kind of heavy there. That's pretty, isn't it? Nice pretty colors. Alright. now I'm going to wipe off my brush again. Actually, I'm going to clean it and we're going to get started in another area in a minute. Okay, so now we're going to switch out a little bit here, and I'm going to get, I have some red violet deep, really pretty color. I'm going to get some of that on my paper plate here. Put this back here. I'm going to put it this way so I can see it better. And I'm going to use a fan brush. I'm going to get a little bit on my brush, very dark, and kind of work it in through bristles. And I'm going to kind of create some trees. Just kind of dabbing it. Just kidding. A little bit. I kind of want it to seem like they're coming down. The trees are kind of coming down a hill like this, or like the side of a mountain. Like that. Relax, you know, kind of a thing. I want it to be a little bit heavier down here where the forest is thicker, and I want the lighter blue sky to be in between the trees, so I don't want that to get all filled in there. So that's kind of nice. And then at this point, I'm going to wipe off my brush. I just wipe it off with a paper towel. And I want to add some interest in here. Kind of not just that dark color. So I'm going to get a little bit of bright aqua green, put on my plate, put my cover back on, and I'm going to get a little bit of primary blue and put that on my plate like that. Put my covers back on. Actually, might like a little white. Put that on there. Okay. Well, I got my plate here. bright acid green, primary blue, and a little bit of white. And I'm just going to get a little bit of the bright acid green. And I'm going to kind of subdue it just by patting it on the plate. And then I'm just going to just touch it a little bit in here. I'm careful not to fill in these sky in the background. Kind of adding a little bit of color and texture. I'm going to get a little bit of this primary blue and just touch it. I'm even going to pick up a little bit of white, or just get a little bit of white on there. Get it kind of relaxed on the brush. And just touch it here and there. A little bit more of the bright acid green. I'm just kind of getting the brush relaxed with it. Yeah. And it's looking real pretty now. It's coming down mountain. Like that. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. And now I'm going to clean up my brush for a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're coming back now and just looking at this. And I'm just thinking it might be nice to put a little moon right up in here. So I've already got some white on my plate. I'm going to just kind of work it into the brush. I'm going to turn it this way so I can see it better. Just going to get a little bit of a moon here. That's nice. This is a nice brush. It's soft but firm. And when you have paint on it, you can flare it out so that you can get the edges of the moon and actually create a pretty round moon. And actually it's okay if it's not completely round, but you know, that's a good moon there. And that's a lovely little painting, I think. And maybe I'll just take I'll kind of dab off my brush and kind of just maybe get some of that violet mixed with the white and just add a little bit of that, you know, for a bit of color there. I'll get some more more of the white, just a little bit. And some of that violet. See how it's that pretty? No, it's pretty. It's nice to have color, you know. You've got color. I don't want it too heavy. Oops. Oh boy. Like dropping things into the paint. You see, oh boy. Okay. One of the benefits of tape, you know, but my table is so painted that it's kind of hard to tape anything to it, really. Just kind of adding a little bit of color in there. Kind of a hazy, colorful sky. Yeah, pretty. It's kind of hard to show you that. Let me see if I raise this up a little bit. I really love working with the watercolor paper. It's really quite nice. And you can see this very easy. You just have to have your colors and just have a light touch. You can do this. You definitely can do this. Well, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a like. Leave me a comment. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. You can also message me. You can email me. My email address is on the About section on my YouTube channel at Jake Folger. And you also can follow me on Facebook, and this painting will be a art print, signed art print, which is an affordable way to own my art, in my Etsy shop, and there'll be a link to my Etsy shop in the video description. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great night.